What's up, squad? Today I locked myself out of my DC, so I'll show you how to get it fixed. So you can see my password has expired and must be changed. So when I do that, and I give it a new password, or the same, this password for this account has been expired, and it puts me through the loop again and again and again. And it's not that my password is wrong, because if I input the wrong password, it just straight up tells me. So how do we get it fixed? We get it fixed by first trying to mess it up, I guess. So we reset it every time you see the Windows log on button. You do that a few times, and then it puts you in this. Okay, not quite yet. Never give up. I'll try and do it a bit faster even. Holy shit, finally. Took us long enough. So when we're right here, we'll press the advanced options. Then troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings. Then we'll restart. Now we'll get to see a black screen, and we will go to safe mode. Now we'll have to log in with our DSRM password. That's the password you had to input when making a new domain. If you don't remember this password, then you're truly fucked, because there's no way in, I guess. So my DSRM password is this right here. It always gives me incorrect after the first try. Oh shit. Ain't no way this is wrong though. Okay, I haven't got a clue why it's doing this to me, but anyways. Alright, now that we're in here, we'll go to our CMD. If it wants to. Like, please, man. Okay, then you do net user administrator. And then your new password. Then we'll log in with the password we just chose. And we're back in. Yep, that was it. Thank you. Bye bye. I hope it works for you.